Hey guys, I found this cute little cooking game. I thought this might be something that you guys could have fun playing on your own. So I'm going to do it for you with you right now so that we can look at it and check out how to cook. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the recipe. It's a pancake recipe. It says, did you know that with a little modification, you can make pancakes a healthy breakfast? Try Soluce's pancakes to get your day going. Be sure to keep an eye out healthy additions or alternatives to what you might normally use. This will grant you bonus points. Okay, so here's our recipe. It makes 3 pancakes for 4 people, 1 egg, 1 cup of flour or whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup non-fat milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. Okay, so let's see. The first thing down here, we've got all of our ingredients. And this says non-fat milk or low-fat milk. Let's see, how much did it require in the recipe? Can you guys find the milk? And how much? That's right here, this line right here, 3/4 cup non-fat milk. Okay, so let's do the non-fat milk. And I'm going to click on here until it raises up to the amount I need. Now remember, when we're measuring, we have to go exactly, has to go right up to the line. Does that look like it's about on there? Maybe a little bit lower, that's okay. We'll add it. Okay, now eggs. Let's look at the recipe. Tell me how many eggs were on this recipe. That's right, 1 egg. So we're gonna do 1 egg. And I'm gonna click on here when I hit the egg. Okay, so right in here is where you would click the arrow to crack the egg. We only needed 1 though, so we're done with that one. Okay, the next item is sugar. How much sugar did we need? Can you find sugar on the recipe? 1 tablespoon. Good, 1 tablespoon. All right, so we have 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon right here. So I'm gonna click on this and they're gonna add it. Now, if I keep clicking tablespoons, they're gonna keep adding sugar, but it says only 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna stop there, okay? Next is flour. We have regular flour and whole wheat flour. They're saying a healthier pancake uses whole wheat flour. So let's use the wheat flour. How much did we need for the flour? Okay, so we were looking at 1 cup for the flour. Good. Whole wheat flour, we're gonna do 1 cup. Ready? Now remember, if this is a measuring cup, when we do the whole cup, we go all the way up to the top. See how it says 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, and 3/4 cup. That means all the way to top is a full cup. So let's raise it all the way up. What's as high it's gonna go? We're gonna add it. Okay, the next thing is baking soda. Let's see how much we needed for baking soda. Look for the words baking soda. That's right, it's right here. You see that? 3 teaspoons, not tablespoons, teaspoons. 3 teaspoons. So tablespoon, no. 1/4 teaspoon, no. Teaspoon, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're looking at vegetable oil. Let's see what they said for oil. Look for the vegetable oil. How much do we need for vegetable oil? That's right, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. That's the big spoon, isn't it? 1 whole tablespoon, 2 whole tablespoons. The last thing we have is salt. Let's look at the salt. 1/4 teaspoon. That's a small pinch of salt. Just one of those and we're good. Okay, do you think you got the recipe right? I think we did. Well, on the flour, it wouldn't let us go all the way to the top now, would it? Okay, now it's going to have us stir. I have to hit these yellow picked highlighted areas of the bowl. Yeah, until it gets to the top. Keep stirring, keep stirring. You want to make sure that nothing's clumpy, right? My grade for stirring is an A. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're going to cook 3 pancakes. We're going to prepare the frying pan. We're going to spray this frying pan first so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to put the stove on medium because I don't want it to be too low and make it dry or too high and make it burn. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do medium. And now I'm going to pour the pancake into the pan, and I have to push on the circle until it hits the edges. And now I got to wait till the cooking bar is up here with this red bar here to tell me it's done, and then I'll flip it. You got to wait for the one side to cook and kind of bubble up before you can flip it. Okay, so it's hitting that red, it's in there, flip it over, okay? Now we're gonna get all the way up here again and click done. The second side cooks a lot faster. Why do they say okay on, oh brother. Okay, that's my first pancake. Boy, they're hard to please, aren't they? All right. Waiting for it to hit the red. Then I'll click the pancake and flip it over. Okay, now we're gonna wait till it gets up here and click done and flip the pancake off the stove. Second one. How come I keep getting okay for the first side? Dumb. Brother. Okay. Pancake number 3. Done. All right. Let's see if I can get a better score than just good on this first side. Boy, they're picky. I don't know where they want me to click. I mean, who wants a burnt pancake? I'd rather like have it golden brown than dark brown. This is my pancake after all. And I'm getting ready to take it off the grill. See, they keep giving me okays for this first side. All right. My grade for cooking is A+. Awesome. Okay, because I did such a good job, I get to decorate my pancakes. I get 2 toppings. I just like regular old butter and syrup. Yummy. Okay, guys, there's this cooking class, and I'm going to send you the link for this and put it on the classroom so you can play it on your own. Okay? Okay, bye, guys.